Thank you for having us on board. We are in a totally different field than the previous ones. So we are in an interface between construction, parking, and energy. So our offering is that we are doing covered parking areas, covered with solar carports, where the roof consists of PV solar modules for producing sustainable electricity. We're based in Aarhus, Denmark, and we started this project with the first commercial deliveries in 2015. First of all, why invest in covered parking areas? Well, first of all, I have to mention that the two large sources of solar energy, solar electricity, come from ground mount installations and rooftop installations. But this is a way where we also can utilize other sources, in this case, parking areas. Of course, the investments for covering parking areas are larger than if you have solar on rooftops or solar on fields. But here you utilize, you can say, existing black areas, so to say, and there are different reasons for doing that. First of all, you get, of course, clean, sustainable electricity. And also the local production of electricity is something that is very much needed in the future, because our consumption of electricity will increase. And it's also a matter of having safe solutions. Then, of course, you can at the same time make shelter. If you talk about very warm countries, shades important as well. When you use PV solar, in general, you save on your electricity costs. Of course, it's depending on the cost for electricity before that. But in most cases, we save on electricity. For places where it's parking, like airports, and often have double insulation with savings, but you also have additional revenue from electricity for the covered parking. So just to show what we are offering, basically we are producers of these carport systems. Together with partners, it's being supplied turnkey for complete solution. We're not doing that ourselves because we are supplying to many countries. So we specialize in the structure systems. We offer also in supervising, and also have partners who can go into finance solution. With energy, very often solutions are not like 100% investments. Very often it's different kinds of agreements about purchasing the electricity. So, where we are special compared to other suppliers is that we are have a very deep assortment. So we are specialized in having solutions pre-engineered for any parking area. And we do also integrations of additional equipment like LED or like having hardware integrated in the structures. We have different ways of making the roof. This is our own development where we're having a special railing system, so you don't need to have subroofs, and still it's watertight solutions. Foundation, that's also something that we are nerding about to avoid huge consumption of concrete. We also provide solutions where you have solutions of steel in the foundations, which has a smaller impact CO2-wise. So I'll just show some examples of some projects that we have made. Here it's a supermarket in Croatia, and here's another supermarket in Netherlands. This example is actually a project where we are supplying to the first zero energy supermarket in the world. So they produce all the energy themselves locally. This is a project that's just being completed now for UK, for a bank. And this is a park and ride. It means that it's a place next to a train station in the center of England. This one is special. This is actually also in England, but it's called the EV forecourt. It's like same as a petrol station, but only for electric cars. So of course the link to electrical mobility is an important part of the concept, because you need shelter and you need more local production of electricity. And I'll show you 3 examples that are closer to India, at least, from Emirates, Dubai University, and another university in Dubai, Amity. It's actually an Indian-owned university. Then on top of a parking house next to the Al Hamra building, the tallest building in Kuwait. So rooftop utilization is also very interesting. This is another example of covering a rooftop of a multi-story car park. Yes, we have supplied to different continents, and we are very keen to move on with countries like India and further going further east. So our ambition is to scale this up, and we are in the moment making a department in Poland, and we are looking into making departments also in UK, in Emirates, and maybe also in India. And this ambition is the reason that we are looking into India of different reasons. First of all, we know there's a big demand for sustainable energy in India, and also in India there are or have been for several years lots of investments in solar projects. The same, but a little later in development are the other are the regions in the Middle East and North Africa. I showed you examples from the Emirates, and that's also something that is very interesting for us in the future, including the other countries in the region, like Saudi Arabia. So we're looking into the Indian option, which could be a hub for us for India and MENA regions, but also it could be a hub for Southeast Asia. So steel components sourcing in India is interesting for us, and also India produce other solar components like solar modules.